Okay.
Uh,
What did you say?
I am scared when I am a mom
Why?
because
How will you become a mom?
I am scared that I'm gonna be same as you
That
when I am pregnant.
you're still 5.
No, but when I'm already a mom,
How old are you when you'll be pregnant?
you know,
50?
I think
I don't want you to have boyfriend.
I'm not.
Then why you were thinking that you will become a mom? So you want to have a boyfriend?
No,
Be my baby forever. And we'll go manicure, pedicure
and me,
If
and you
you're-
don't like to go to the hairstyle,
to the huh?
hairstyler,
Hairstyler, that's salon.
salon,
You do your hair and makeup and your
haircut
nails.
ba?
Yes. You're
Like-
so pretty. We have different face. No, look at my eyes is so big and your eyes is so small. My face has a lot of black spots. And your face is so fair. And your lips. Show your lips. My lips. Look at my eyes. It's like dead. But your eyes. So cute. Show your beautiful smile, Ellie. Show your upper teeth. Like this. No, like this. Okay. Smile, Ellie. Smile. Can you click the other one so we can have pictures? Click the white thing. White thing! There. Okay.
Okay, then I'll skip to